A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Fueling Life, the science of eating and digesting right. Ladies and gentlemen, health and vitality are not mere aspirations. They are deeply rooted in the science of nutrition and digestion. Every bite of food ignites a cascade of biochemical processes that fuel the body's billions of cells, enabling them to function with precision. Yet, the modern world often undervalues the intricate relationship between what is consumed, how it is digested, and the resulting impact on physical and mental well-being. Understanding this synergy is not just about individual choices, it is a profound acknowledgement of how life itself is sustained. Cells, the building blocks of the body, depend on a delicate balance of energy intake, nutrient diversity, and optimal timing. By aligning dietary habits with the circadian rhythm, the natural cycles governed by the sun, each meal becomes more than nourishment. It becomes a tool to synchronize the body's internal clocks, enhance metabolism, and foster resilience against disease. Let us understand the equation of adequacy and energy balance. The body's energy needs vary based on activity levels, age, and physiological demands. But the principle of balance remains constant. Overeating creates metabolic strain, leading to weight gain and systemic inflammation. Undereating deprives the body of the resources it requires to function, impairing immunity and cognitive performance. The key lies in mindful adequacy, consuming neither too little nor too much, but aligning intake with energy expenditure. Equally important is the diversity of nutrients. Macronutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are the foundation of diet, while micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals act as the catalyst for cellular function. The absence of even a single nutrient can disrupt the body's equilibrium, underscoring the importance of variety in dietary choices. Let us also understand the science of digestion, unveiling the process behind. Digestion begins the moment food enters the mouth, when enzymes in saliva initiate the breakdown of carbohydrates. As food travels through the digestive tract, it encounters a series of complex interactions involving stomach acids, pancreatic enzymes, and intestinal flora. These processes work together to break down food into its molecular components, which are then absorbed into the bloodstream to nourish cells. Yet, the efficiency of digestion depends on several factors, including portion size, the timing of meals, and hydration levels. Overburdening the digestive system with excessive or poorly combined foods can slow down absorption and lead to discomfort. On the other hand, regular meal intervals and balanced portions promote optimal digestion and energy utilization. Let us look at the digestive efficiency and take a practical insights into it. Digestive health is shaped not only by what is eaten but also by how it is consumed. Simple practices such as eating slowly, chewing thoroughly, and avoiding distractions during meals can significantly enhance digestive efficiency. Similarly, incorporating fermented foods, fiber-rich vegetables, and adequate water intake supports a thriving gut microbiome, which is essential for overall health. Avoiding highly processed foods and excessive sugar also reduces the burden on the digestive system while maintaining consistent meal timings, aligns digestion with the body's natural rhythms. The nutritional mastery for cellular health is important to understand also. Cells are remarkably efficient machines, but their performance hinges on the quality of their fuel. Nutrient-dense foods such as whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and colorful fruits and vegetables provide the building blocks for cellular repair, energy production, and disease prevention. At the same time, the body thrives on predictability. Irregular eating patterns, skipping meals, or overloading on late night snacks disrupt hormonal cycles, impairing digestion and metabolism. Nutritional mastery involves not only choosing the right foods, but also consuming them in a structured, consistent manner. Let us take a holistic view on connecting eating and digesting. The connection between eating and digestion extends beyond the physical. It defines the body's capacity to thrive in a world of challenges. Each meal is an opportunity to nourish, repair, and energize. The alignment of eating habits with natural rhythms combined with an understanding of the body's nutrient needs fosters cellular efficiency, mental clarity, and physical strength. This mastery of nutrition and digestion is not achieved through convenience. It requires intentionality, discipline, and a deeper awareness of how life itself relies on the fuel provided. It is a realization that every choice at the table reverberates across the body's systems, shaping not only immediate well-being but also the trajectory of health in the long term. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion and in closing the loop, let us understand few things very clearly. The act of eating is universal, yet its science is profound. It is a testament to the marvel of the human body, a biological system so precise that it transforms the simplest of meals into life sustaining energy. Digestive health is the bridge between consumption and vitality, and it holds the key to unlocking human potential. This journey of nourishment from the plate to the cell is a story of connection between food and body, discipline and health, and knowledge and wisdom. By embracing the science of eating and digesting, the foundation is laid not only for personal well-being but also for a healthier, more sustainable future for humanity. Food, after all, is not just sustenance, it is life itself waiting to be understood and cherished. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.